Caution, this is a video log. It has dialogue. For the purist, nature videos go to my playlist, pick one that matches your mood, and does not mention vlogs or dialogue. Good morning. It's about 7:30 in the morning on Saturday, October 14th. We are at the river that I can't pronounce the name of. We got to the trailhead about 6 o'clock this morning, hiked in like 2.5 miles. Got here just as the sun was coming up. We got a little bit of nice purple sky. This was kind of the destination I had in mind. We had not had a chance to pre-scout it. So we got here just as it was getting light out. And the trail is right up there. So we came down this hill in the dark, or just barely dark. I had my headlamp on. And then we came down. Thor got a drink of water, and you can see from all the water splashes and stuff on the end of that rock that he went off the end of it accidentally. Then he needed to be pulled back up, and between both of us flailing around now, I'm all covered in mud. He's kind of wet. He's sad looking. He's not sad looking. He's kind of wet. He's been laying in the leaves and moving like every 30 seconds. So I'm not sure if we got any good audio or not. And then there's a train noise way off in the distance down south. This will probably be the last near real-time vlog that I post. I got a Starlink, so I'll be able to go out and work from a campground and be a little farther from home and not have to try and make trips back and forth from home to the spot that I want to video. Vlogs will be posted weeks late probably, so that it won't be obvious whether or not we're at home, for just regular posting on social media precautions if you want. The cameras are set up here. We're in I think it's the Roaring Run little valley. We're waiting for the sun to come out. You can see it's coming down the hill there. I have the small camera here doing a time lapse of this little waterfall. I have the GoPro set up ready to take some more video. I took a couple of short ones, hoping that the sun is going to be in here real nice in another half hour, 45 minutes. So it's all about timing. I did download an app that says, I think solar noon is like 1:03 today at my current location. I don't know if we'll stay here that long. We did get a Starlink, and we're planning to go out for more extended trips. So I'll be able to work from the camper. So lots of changes since we went looking for a small cargo trailer to make into a wander wagon. After much soul searching, we decided to just stay with the camper that we have, get a Starlink so I can work from the camper during the day and do filming on the weekends and the evenings. And we'll be out for an indeterminate amount of time. Sometimes Lucille comes with us, sometimes she stays home. Thor probably always goes with us. He's over here taking a nap. This is probably the last vlog that comes out very close to recording time. We'll still try and get them out on Wednesdays. There'll be a little bit of a lag until some time expires. This one will hopefully come out on this Wednesday, and then it'll probably be 3 or 4 weeks before the next one comes out. So no worries there. I will try and keep up with having a video come out every odd numbered day at 6 a.m. Hi, good afternoon. From my last entry, there was a lot of, you can probably still hear it in the background, down in the river valley. There's some kind of heavy machinery that's running. It's just at a hum. I don't know if it's a train idling or what, but it just doesn't make good audio. Could even hear it over the sound of those rapids that we were at, that little waterfall. So I think this is going to be the outro. I do have the GoPro on with the head mount, and we'll see if maybe we take some more video as we head out. But I believe this is probably the end of the day and the end of this video. And it'll, like I say, it might be 3 to 6 weeks before you see another vlog from me. We'll just see. And have a good day. See you next time. Bye. Hello, how are you? Last drink of water where we wade in and we don't go swimming. We met several people on the trail, passed out the card. We did leave the sign on the windshield and lots of people said they saw it. So welcome to all of the new people that we met today. We hope you enjoy our videos. And we're going to go home and take it easy for a little bit. It's been a long day. Goodbye.